Eco-friendly and cost-effective. Crafting your own homemade cleaners. In an age where environmental sustainability is becoming increasingly important, many people are looking for ways to reduce their ecological footprint. One practical solution is creating homemade cleaning products that are not only gentle on the planet, but also easy on the wallet. By utilizing common household ingredients, you can whip up a variety of effective cleaners that will keep your home sparkling clean without the use of harsh chemicals. Here, we explore the benefits of homemade cleaners and provide you with simple recipes to get started. The allure of homemade cleaners lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. By making your own cleaning products, you can avoid the toxic substances often found in commercial cleaners, which can be harmful to both your health and the environment. Additionally, crafting your own cleaners can lead to significant savings, as the ingredients are often less expensive than store-bought alternatives. Whether you need a basic wood cleaner, window cleaner, or even a mildew scrubber, you can easily find the necessary components around your home. Here are 5 effective homemade cleaning solutions that you can create with minimal effort. 1. Basic wood cleaner. Wood surfaces can easily lose their luster without proper care, but you don't need to buy expensive cleaners to maintain their beauty. To create a basic wood cleaner, combine lemon juice, olive oil, water, and a few drops of natural liquid soap. The acidity of lemon juice helps to cut through grime, while the olive oil nourishes the wood. If you prefer a more versatile solution, vinegar can be used instead of lemon juice, allowing you to make larger batches that can be stored in a jar for future use. Simply saturate a sponge with the mixture, wring out any excess liquid, and start cleaning your wooden surfaces to restore their shine. 2. Window cleaner. Crystal clear windows can brighten up any room, and making your own window cleaner is both easy and effective. Start by dissolving washing soda in hot water, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Add club soda and a few drops of liquid soap to the bottle and give it a good shake. The combination of washing soda and detergent helps to lift grime, while the club soda provides an added sparkle. This homemade cleaner will leave your windows streak-free and gleaming. 3. Soft scrubber for mildew. Mildew can be a persistent problem in damp areas of your home, but a simple homemade scrubber can help tackle this issue. To create a mildew removal scrubber, mix borax with a few drops of tea tree oil, some detergent, and liquid soap in a bowl. Gradually add the liquid soap to the borax, while stirring until you achieve a frosting-like consistency. The tea tree oil acts as a natural antifungal, making this scrubber effective against mildew. Scoop the mixture onto a sponge and scrub the affected areas before rinsing thoroughly. 4. Stainless steel cleaner. Stainless steel appliances can be prone to fingerprints and smudges, but a homemade cleaner can restore their shine. For this solution, you'll need olive oil and vinegar. Spray vinegar liberally onto the stainless steel surface, and use a soft microfiber cloth to rub it in the direction of the grain. Afterward, dip the cloth in olive oil and continue rubbing in the same direction. This technique not only cleans, but also polishes the surface, leaving it looking brand new. 5. Toilet bowl sizzler. Maintaining a clean toilet bowl can be a chore, but a simple mixture of baking soda and white distilled vinegar can make the process more enjoyable. Pour half a cup of baking soda into the toilet bowl, followed by the same amount of vinegar. Allow the mixture to fizz and sizzle, which helps to break down stains and odors. After a few minutes, scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush and flush to reveal a fresh and clean toilet. Incorporating these homemade cleaners into your cleaning routine not only helps you create a healthier living environment, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and creativity. As you experiment with different ingredients and ratios, you may discover new formulations that suit your cleaning needs even better. By making the switch to homemade cleaners, you can effectively reduce your reliance on commercial products, save money, and contribute to a cleaner environment. As the demand for eco-friendly alternatives continues to grow, taking the initiative to create your own cleaning solutions is a step in the right direction. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to embrace a greener, cleaner home with these simple and effective homemade cleaning products.